Menteri rang ba kejelau konrat kesang ma mentasni ulai kendu ya gipai ba no shinong kamo kontro blok jongga is hasil distrik ha kesnong tansning kane ke je kendu kelong hapo jongga CM connect ka CM connect kedai gawe ne gilak lanti Menteri rang ba kejelau nyu kendu ipai ba ban sngap ya jing ba ha ka ba gipai ba gilak ban ujor na ban ong ban pentip Syam Menteri rang ba ya kino jing ke be kendu ha ka dong ba ka thany Nagalang pajba hagane jinga kendo Menteri rang ba kelapan senga bodong kam ya ka higher secondary school ka community college ka jimpre kam ya ka balai spa sngi bodon apa dang jing thot ka jing don kam bandon shu ya ka jaka sam chana ya ki khna ka umbam umdi bat kiwe de kham tam ki jingking ya kali haba juba bi te jimpun senga upai ba Menteri rang ba kelapan pau ba lamang pisa khatlai poin live san klur tengka ban sna jiking yai kali ban penya so ya snong jongsha mak thnroi lamang pisa ban sna artificial turf hajang ka indoor stadium hamokon rew lapan bana pai ba ban sabu thamai khanyos patli ki jaka samchana hagajala brokawai bar ka jinglun nagam ta jungki klon ru pholang manupanai hagane ka sngi Menteri rang ba labatai ru ya shibun ki scheme ki ba sarkar kwale nagam taw pai ba hagajala
for 15 metric ton capacity for potato, especially this mountain rose potato belt. So this we are going to establish allotment have been done to Thanroj sir.
Or the FPO, a soft loan has to be taken. Means we give you interest-free loan, so you don't have to pay interest. So only the capital, the principal amount you will pay, and whatever it will support. It's about 8 lakhs total. So put 4 lakhs. What is the size of the capacity of the storage?
Some of them are less than 5 tons.